Ang ituturo natin ngayon ay half step. Driving left side and then driving right side. Okay? Let's start. Okay, then half. Protect the ball. Nasa gilid dapat yung bola. Tapos, ang maglalan na una, as much as possible. Okay? Right foot natin. Then left. Para fade away tayo. Drive right. Left stop. Half. Kung sa left naman tayo na drive, okay, ito yung half finish natin. Drive, drive, left stop again, left stop, then half, protect the ball. Okay, nandito yung bola natin, then pwede tayo semi-hook or tira. Mga tatandaan natin dito, okay? Pag pick up natin ng bola as much as possible, hanggang bewang, pero isuswing natin pataas. Swing high tayo, swing high, protect, baba yung bola, tira. Okay, so yun yung half step natin driving sa left side. So ito yung isang option. Okay? So nag-half na tayo. Half. Pwede tayong pumake. Fake. Okay? Parang magiging up and under na siya. Fake. Okay. So sana nakatulong sa ating mga ka-e-hoops, mga player na nag-i-improve ng mga book. So ito yung isang finishing na mapakikinabangan natin. Half step. Left side drive and right side drive. Thank you.